Okay, so I've opened up Microsoft Excel and I am just going to show a few little things that we mightn't have covered so far. So I've just typed in the heading online insurance here, and I'm just going to merge it across the width of the data that I have entered. So I just want to highlight as wide as I want to go. So I am taking A, B, C, D, and E, and then I just going to take the merge center. So we've seen that a few times, but just to make sure that everyone's happy with it. So now I just want to do a little bit of tidying up. So I put in this column here, column C. I just don't like the look of it. So I'm just going to delete it. So to delete that, I just go up to the C and see the way my mouse turns into a black arrow pointing down. I left click when it gets like that. And then I can just right click and choose the option to delete. And see the way now it has deleted it back down. If I want to, it looks a little bit cluttered, so I think I might add in a new row here. So the exact same process as we just did. This time I come over and the row is going to go in above the line wherever I am. So we're going to effectively get a new line 4. So I left click, see my mouse is turned into a black arrow pointing to the right. So I left click and then right click and choose insert. And now I have a new line gone in. The next thing I want to do is do a little bit of shading and make things kind of stand out. So I'm just going up, highlight the cells that I want to shade. So I want to shade these two lads. I'm going up here to my little paint bucket for fill and just take a blue, do the same blue here. I will do it in here as well. So if I want to take two columns that aren't together, so I want to take city premium and I want to take policyholder. So I've highlighted city premium. So now you'll see if I go and try and click policy holder, it selects this text. So I wanted to take, oops, I wanted to take both columns. So hold down the left side of my mouse here, take that column, and now hold the control key. Sorry, my mouse is very finicky this morning. Hold down the control key of the keyboard or of the mouse and take the second data that I want to select. And again, just go back up to fill. Oh, I'm sorry, I have a cold. And then we just do the usual. We go up between the A and 1. So we take that little triangle and we're just going to double click and make it a little bit wider. Um, so the last thing that I think I will do, look, it's kind of getting lost a little bit. I think I might take all of the text and see here we have the option to turn on lines. And I think I might just go with all borders and just see it maybe makes it stand out a little bit more. Okay, and the last thing I just want to show you is if we want to rename this sheet. So if I want to rename this Jim Collins or J Collins, okay, so it'll be his quote will be saved. So that kind of, I'll come back in a minute now and we'll do some if formulas.